competition is there today?
Fancy dress competition.
Yes, today's fancy dress competition. Honorable Supreet sir, all the teachers and my dear students, I welcome you all to the fancy dress competition organized by the Holy Cross School. Fancy dress is a clothing by which everyone tries to look like a famous person or a person from story, from history or from a particular profession. Our life is just a big fancy dress party. It is an art of wearing an amazing and unusual costume as a part of a theme. It is the most awaited event of the year, as it is always a pleasure to watch the students dressed up as different characters. It helps the students to overcome their stage fear, bring out their inner talent, give them a platform to build their self-confidence and explore their inner strength. Keeping the same motto in mind, this fancy dress competition has been organized. Firstly, we would like to start. I would like to call Jesh from class first.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Jess. I did in first class. I am 6 years old. Today I will policeman. I am a policeman. I am a policeman. I protect all the people. I catch thieves and criminals. I have a gun. I proud to be a police officer. I full of discipline. I am faithful public servant. I am strong, tall, and healthy. Jai Hind.
Okay, so the two professionals which were working during Corona time, they were doctors and your policemen. They were at your service even during the difficult time. So very good role Jesh has played for the policemen. Next, I would like to call Palak from class first.
Hello friends, मेरा नाम पलक है. मैं फर्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ती हूँ. मैं आपको एक पोएम सुनाने वाली हूँ. मैं सजाती परियों की हूँ. आसमान में मेरा घर, राह में मेरी बिछे सितारे. मेरा पता है चंद नगर. मैं परियों से सुंदर कोमल चाहूँ जहाँ पर जाती हूँ. हवा के संग में बातें करती, नील गगन में उड़ती हूँ. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.
Have you heard of the fairy tales? Your mother or your grandmother must be telling a story about the fairies. So Palak was looking like a fairy. Next, I would like to call Bhavika from class first.
एक पोएम सुनाना चाहती हूँ. तितली उड़ी, बस में चढ़ी, सीट ना मिली, रोने लगी. कंडक्टर बोला आजा मेरे पास. तितली बोली हट बदमाश.
So Bhavika. Next, I would like to call Takshit from class first.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम तक्षित है. मैं पहली कक्षा का छात्र हूँ. मैं आपके सामने सुभाष चंद्र बोस की कुछ पंक्तियाँ बोलने जा रहा हूँ. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. जय हिंद.
Very good, Takshit. call the performers of class first. They perform.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम दक्ष है। मैं कक्षा दूसरी का छात्र हूँ। मैं आज आपको एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ जिसका नाम है माँ मुझको बंदूक। माँ मुझको बंदूक दिला दो, मैं भी सीमा पे जाऊँगा। मैं भी करूँगा देश की सेवा, अपना फर्ज निभाऊँगा। जय हिंद।
Next, I would like to call Disha Dahiya. Disha Dahiya from class 2nd.
Good morning. My name is Diksha. I am studying in class 2nd. I am play a role of fairy. Fairies are very beautiful. Fairies have a magical power. Fairies can fly and touch the sky. Fairies are messenger of God. Thank you.
Very good. I would like to call Pranjal from class 2nd.
Morning friends, I am Pranjal from class 2nd. Today I am a princess. My name is Elsa. I like to sing aloud. I can make everything else. Thank you.
Very good, Pranjal. Looks like a princess, little princess. Now I would like to call Kesham from class 2nd. Now I would like to call Priyanshi from class 2nd.
Good morning everyone. I am Priyanshi Mehra of class 2nd, playing role as water droplet. Water is used for many ways like drinking, washing clothes, bathing, cleaning ourselves, etc. Without water we cannot live. Or it's precious, so save it, do not waste it. But how can we save it? We can save it by doing simple things. Use bucket for bathing as your shower. Use less water to clean your vehicles. So save water and save you. Thank you.
Very good. It was mesmerizing. And Priyanshi has given a very good moral also that we should save water, we should conserve it. Wherever possible, we should minimize the use of water. Like she told, we should use bucket for bathing instead of using shower. And for cleaning, I have to call Rudransh from class 2nd.
Good morning everyone. I am Rudran Sarawat of class 2nd. I play role is tiger. A tiger is a national animal. It is a powerful animal. I live in forest. Please save us forest. Thank you and have a nice day.
Call Hardik Dahiya from class 3rd.
Everyone all present here. Today I am Hardik of class 3rd is going to recite a speech before you. And my topic is life of soldier. A soldier is the most important. A soldier is the most important job for a country to be saved and protected. It requires hard work, dedication and determination to become a soldier. A soldier and a farmer are the most respected personalities in the country. A soldier's life is filled with sacrifices and fight for the country from terrorist enemy, countries and bad elements in the society. More importantly, only those who love his or her country and dare to patriot can become a soldier. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good. Well done, Hardik. Nice performance. I'd like to call Drishti. She's the last participant from class 3rd.
Good morning to everyone present. Today I am Drishti of class 3rd is going to recite a poem before you. And my poem topic is If I Had a Magic Carpet. If I had a magic carpet that could travel anywhere, I would probably quite selfish and wouldn't want to share. I would have the greatest time wishing about all on my own. I would collect a postcard from everywhere I would flock. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very nice. From class 4th.
Hello everyone, we are not present here today. I am Garvi Singh from class 4 is going to speak a poem. And my poem is काश मेरी जिंदगी में कोई सरहद की शाम आए, काश मेरी जिंदगी मेरे वतन के काम आए। ना खौफ है मौत का, ना आरज़ू है जन्नत की, बस जब कभी भी जिक्र हो शहीदों का, काश मेरा भी नाम आए, काश मेरा भी नाम आए। जब कोई पूछे मेरे बारे में तो मेरी यह पहचान लिख देना, उठाना मेरा कमांडो टाइगर, छाती पर हिंदुस्तान लिख देना, छाती पर हिंदुस्तान लिख देना। जब कोई पूछे कि यह पागल था कौन, तो क्रांतिकारियों का चेला और इंकलाब का नाम लिख देना, और जो बचा हो जिसमें लहू उसे निकालना, और उससे ज़मीन पर माँ तुझे सलाम लिख देना, माँ तुझे सलाम लिख देना। अब मुझे कश्मीर जाना है, सीमा पर डटकर दुश्मनों से लड़कर आना है, चलेगी सांस जब तक ये उनको यह मंजर दिखाना है। अब तिरंगा लहराना है या फिर उससे लिपट कर ही घर आना है, उससे लिपट कर ही घर आना है।
And really, you must have remembered of all the people who have sacrificed for our country. And soldiers, they are the builders of a nation, they are the protectors of a nation, and they are the base on which our country stands.
A heartiest good morning to dear teachers and my lovely friends. I am Garvita Layya. I am feeling proud to have the opportunity to speak about the Queen of Jhansi, a wonderful lady known for her braveness, smartness and intelligence. Rani Lakshmibai. In 1857, she bravely fought against British army, tying her son on her back and riding on her horse mother. She said, "मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी." सिंहासन ही उठे राजवंशों ने युक्ति ठानी थी, बूढ़े भारत में आई फिर से नई जवानी थी, गुमी हुई आजादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी, धूल फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी। चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुख से हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। भाग फिरंगी भाग, भाग फिरंगी भाग, भारत देश ये मेरा है, ये धरती मेरी माँ है, इस पर मेरे खून का एक एक कतरा कुर्बान है। भाग फिरंगी भाग, भाग फिरंगी भाग, भारत देश ये मेरा है। थैंक यू।
Really, we could imagine Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmibai in your character. I'd like to call Avi from class 5th.
morning to all present here today. I am Avi Galawat of class 5th. I can speak some lines of Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh is a freedom fighter. He was born on 28 September 1907 in Punjab. He killed the British police officer John Saunders. His father Kishan Singh, freedom fighter, and his mother Vidyavati, housewife. He expressed reading and writing Hindi, Urdu, Gurumukhi at a very early age. He sacrificed for his life for our country. Thank you and have a nice day. Inqilab Zindabad. Inqilab Zindabad.
Ritika from class 5th.
Good morning to all present here today. I am Ritika of class 5th. I am going to tell you a story of a princess. Once upon a time, there born a princess. All fairies blessed her, but a wicked fairy cursed her. When she will be of 16 years, she will touch a needle and die. After 16 years, she touched a needle and sleep. One prince come. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good, Sia. Give her a big.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I, Vansh Malik of class 5th, is going to play a role of soldier. I am a soldier. I am brave and strong. I protect my country from enemies. I make sacrifices. The protection of my country is my most important duty. I can sacrifice my life by protecting my country. Jai Hind.
Next, I would like to call Vanshika from class 5th.
Good morning to all. Today I, Vanshika of class 5th, is going to perform a speech of doctor. A doctor is very important in our life. He protects us from every disease, even if those who are bad or good. He always protects us and keep us safe. The doctors are the inspirations for us. Thank you.
I would like to call Anubhav from class 5th.
Good morning to all present here. Today I am Anubhav of class 5th is going to speak the poem before you, and my fun name is Soldier. The soldier duty is to protect her country from enemies. The soldier is a fighter. In India, the soldier is known as Jawan. The soldier duty is very hard, but he did not express his expression to anyone. Thank you and have a nice day.
Yes, we are calling.
I am Martin from class 5th. Today I am going to speak a speech on soldier. I am soldier. The soul in me is expression of discipline, morality, and nationalism. For the reason of my existence is not to live, but like live. Who says soldier does not feel love? For sure he does, for soldier is a human. Who says soldier does not feel hunger? Sure he does, for soldier is a human. Who says soldier does not feel fatigue? Sure he does, for soldier is a human. But only one thing soldier cannot do. Only one thing soldier cannot do. Soldier cannot be killed. Soldier is immortal. After his death, he blossomed up like a flower on mountain top. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good, Madhavan. Soldiers, they don't die. They are immortal. immortal because they gave us such a great lesson in our lives.